Hello, my name's Daniel. My business is nudgepoint.com, so we're a creative agency in Manchester focusing on property marketing. I met Jesson and James at the Gary Vee event and immediately recognised that there was a connection. I appreciated their style. It was very natural. There was no time pressures with what they were saying. The delivery was honest, and I thought, well, that's a good first impression. So I've since booked on the course, just finished it. It's been phenomenal, and I came with a certain idea in mind. It changed day one in terms of my focus for what I was about to learn on a particular part of the business. And yes, it's a lot of information, but the tips, the techniques, the anecdotes, the examples of other people's situations, not least those from each other in the room. There were about 30 of us in the room. So the learning you would get is not just the amazing learning from James and Jesson, but actually from each other throughout and in between sessions when we have a break. I am buzzing enough to make that 5-hour drive going back without a stop, based on the adrenaline I feel from just wanting to get going and make a difference to my life really, and to the business. So if you are considering it, they're honest guys, they're sincere guys, they're very intelligent and smart guys, and I genuinely feel that they care about my success, which would be your success. So do it.